Alright guys, so sorry about that, but you should be able to see the Kahoot screen right now. So, we will get started shortly. You can just follow along with the instructions at the top of the page. Go ahead to www.kahoot.it, or you can download the Kahoot app if you are extra excited about everything. And I'll give you guys a second to hop in. There's some fun auto-generated names to choose from. And once you get to that website, it will offer you the option of putting in a PIN, so go ahead and grab that number at the top. We already have a Wonder Duck that's excited to join us, so that's excellent. I'm sure there'll be some fierce competition tonight. This is our first event of this sort, so we are looking for feedback. If you want to leave a comment after we're done with trivia or whenever you would like, that is totally fine. Otherwise, you can message us on Facebook here with any comments or concerns or anything of that nature. I apologize if the audio is delayed at all, but we should have plenty of time for you to read the questions individually if that doesn't work.
I'm measuring the delay. So you're still delayed. So I'm waiting. I'll let you know when. No, you're fine.
And we'll give people about 1 more minute. I am experiencing a delay in audio, so you will probably have to read those questions and then just do your best to answer. It's going to give you 60 seconds to answer.
I'll let you know when I'm moving.
Alright, we are going to get started then. So this is going to be 15 questions, multiple choice answers, and I'm very sorry if you did come prepared to answer questions about Cats, the Broadway musical. That is not what we are focusing on for this. Alright. What orange cat was featured in a comic strip with John and Odie? Go ahead and make the choice on your phone. You should have plenty of time to decide. Alright, so 3 answers. You all got it correct. Well done. Cheshire Cat, one of the other choices was of course from Alice in Wonderland. And I made up one of those options, so that's fun. Alright. Diligent Boa with an early lead. Alright, our next question. What food did Garfield love to eat? You can see that he had an affinity for Italian food. So get your answers in. Little more than 30 seconds left. All right. Moving on. In The Lion King, what is the name of the bird that advises King Mufasa? Is it Zazu, Shenzi, Nala, or Rafiki? 24 seconds left. Get those answers in. All right. Have all of our choices in. Wonder Duck is dominating. But don't worry, it's still early. In The Lion King, how is Scar related to Simba? Is it his brother, his stepbrother, his uncle, or a royal advisor? One thing that I loved about creating this trivia was finding all these fun pictures, so I hope you're enjoying the majestic looking cats throughout the slideshow. All right, everyone is in. It was, of course, his uncle. All right, who has white shoes, enjoys singing on the bus, and has some pretty groovy buttons? Is it Bagheera, Pete the Cat, Choco Cat, or Hello Kitty? Get those answers in. All right, well done. Everyone got that one right. Gonna have to find some harder questions. All right, what color is Pete the Cat? So I'm hoping that last guess wasn't just a guess and you know. Is it blue, black, tan, or red? The sooner you get those answers in, the more points you get. So try to make those selections early. Twenty seconds. All right. See our point totals. Here we go. Our next question. What famous rhyming cat wears a red and white striped hat and talks to a fish? Is it the Grinch, the Lorax, Oscar the Grouch, or the Cat in the Hat? All right, 3 answers in, 20 seconds to go. I love this music. All right. The Cat in the Hat. Most of you got that right. Moving on. Next question. What is the name of the sword-fighting, mischievous cat that is popular Italian fairy tale? Is it the Cheshire Cat, Pink Panther, Puss in Boots, or Bagheera? All right, get those answers in. All right, good. Most of you got that. Hopefully you recognize Puss in Boots from Shrek. Who's that adorable cat? Next question. What is the name of the panther in the Jungle Book? Is it Baloo, Bagheera, Jafar, or Timon? So I hope you're up to date on your Disney knowledge. One answer in and 30 seconds to go. I'm sure there's some fierce debate going on right now. Ten seconds. Get those answers in. All right. Bagheera is, of course, the panther's name. Wonder Duck doing well. Diligent Boa moving up. All right. What Disney movie features smooth-talking Thomas O'Malley, the alley cat, and sophisticated Duchess? Is it All Cats Go to Heaven, The Secret Life of Pets, Oliver and Company, or The Aristocats? Get those answers in. All right. Let's see how we did. And Cheerful Emu is moving up. Good job. All right, question 11. What Japanese-based cat is known for her signature pink or red bow? Is it Abby the Tabby, Hello Kitty, Cheshire Cat, or Kitty Cat? Remember, if you know it, try to get those answers in early. 10 seconds left. All right. And we have a new player joining us. All right, here we go. Next question, question 12. What excitable feline lives in the 100-acre woods? Is it Kara the cougar, Tony the tiger, Tigger the tiger, or Leo the lion? Hopefully you'll recognize the 100-acre woods from Winnie the Pooh.
Counting for me.
All right. Excellent job, guys. Question 13. What TV and movie series feature Inspector Jacques Clouseau and his comedic misadventures? Is it the Pink Panther, the Purple Puma, the Purple Panther, or Garfield? Get those answers in. 30 seconds. Ten seconds left. All right.
Because of your delay, you're off by like 30 seconds. I'd stop saying how much time we have left.
Okay.
I was testing it.
So, next question. What is the name of children's book cat who is poofy and black, has a pet mouse, and a friend named Spike? Is it Split, Poof, Oscar, or Splat?
I ran out of time. I was testing it, and you're like, there's 10 seconds left, but it looks like there's like 35 seconds left here.
All right, good job, guys. Splat the cat. Wonder Duck in the lead. Cheerful Emu is on fire with 5 correct answers in a row. Well done. All right, next question, our last question. What is the name of the popular fiction series that features cat clans? This is a middle school series we have down here in the children's library. Get those answers in so we can get our point totals for this evening's trivia. right, and that will do it. Diligent Boa in third place, Wonder Duck in second, and our winner is Cheerful Emu. Congratulations! Thank you guys so much for joining us tonight. And again, if you missed this announcement at the very beginning, this is our first time doing this in this way, so we might be changing platforms. But please leave any comments or suggestions or anything of that sort in our comments, or just message us here. You can be brutal. We can take the criticism. And we will see you again in 2 weeks, hopefully. Have a great night.